Hey, smart shoppers. Hold on a sec, are you seriously about to check out on AliExpress without using a promo code? Oh no, not on my watch. We all love shopping cute stuff, tech gadgets, home decor, you name it. But paying full price? Nah, that's so last season. Let me help you keep that wallet happy. Here's the secret sauce. When you place your order on AliExpress, you need to enter the promotion code during checkout. That's right, during checkout, that's when the magic happens. Just pop in the code and boom, instant discount. Money saved, mood boosted. Now you're probably wondering, where do I find this magical code? Easy, it's right here for you. In the description box below. And also pinned in the comment section. No need to search all over the internet. I've done the hard work for you, just click, copy, paste, and save. And listen, if you forget to enter the code at checkout, that's like leaving free money on the table. Nobody wants that. So double check, apply the code, and see the discount right before your eyes. With the cash you save, maybe you can treat yourself to something extra. Another gadget? A cute accessory? A midnight snack? And hey, if this helped you save even just a little, hit that like button, drop a comment, tell me what you bought, and subscribe for more sweet deals and promo codes. Because here at Hello Coupon World we don't do full price. Ever. See you in the next money saving adventure.